Mary, can you update the server settings? It's a 5-minute task.
Sure, John. Which server?
The production server. Just change the port number.
Okay, I'm opening the system now. Wait, I don't have permission.
Really? Let me check. Oh, you need admin access.
Can you request it?
Yes, but IT support takes 24 hours to respond.
Okay, I'll wait.
Mary, IT approved your access.
Great! I'm changing the port now. John, the system is showing an error.
What error?
Connection refused. The new port is blocked by the firewall.
Oh no, I need to call the network team.
How long will that take?
Maybe 2 days?
John, this was a 5-minute task.
I know. I'm sorry. IT is never simple.
Mike, smile.
Next time, say 5-day task. Deal. Okay, network team just fixed the firewall. Try now.
It's working, finally.
3 days for 5 minutes.
Welcome to IT.